Rahim. Welcome to my channel, Kid Zone. It's me, Binish. We are going to read vocabulary of letter C, and the sound of letter C is k, k, k. So let's start reading. Clara can crawl. Clara can crawl. Clara can cry. Clara can cry. Clara can clap. Clara can clap. Clara can crawl, cry, and clap. Clara can crawl, cry, and clap. Cat, cow, and camel are coming. Cat, cow, and camel are coming. Carpet and curtains are clean. Carpet and curtains are clean. Clown is wearing colorful clothes and a cap. Clown is wearing colorful clothes and a cap. Let's start revising these all words which are starting with letter K. K. Clara. K. K. Can. Crawl. Crawl. Cry. Cry. Clap. Clap. Cat. Cat. Cow. Cow. Camel. Camel. Coming. Coming. Carpet. Carpet. Curtains. Curtains. Clean. Clean. Clown. Clown. Colorful. Colorful. Clothes. Clothes. Cap. Cap. Thank you for watching my video. Do subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much.